The age of machines. The discovery of metals led to faster development of the modern civilization. Copper was the first metal to be used. Later, iron soon replaced the use of copper and brought about a revolution. The first few inventions began with the textile industry in Britain. In 1733, James Kay, a clockmaker, invented a simple weaving machine called the Flying Shuttle. One worker could now do the work of two. In 1764, James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny. Samuel Crompton, in 1774, invented the spinning mule. In 1785, Edmund Cartwright invented the power loom. Steam was used to power the machine which replaced the flying shuttle. Its weaving speed and efficiency was much better. The most important invention of the Industrial Revolution was the steam engine. It powered the spinning mule and the power loom. Steam engine began to be used in locomotives and ships. The first steam-powered locomotive was invented in 1801 by George Stephenson. In 1825, he constructed a 30-mile railway line from Liverpool to Manchester after surveying the route. The Industrial Revolution led to the factory system, which mechanized processes in industries. Goods began to be produced on a mass scale. Machines are run using fuels. Over time, different fuels have come to be used to run them. Several machines used today are powered by electricity. Coal was first used in steam engines and was also used to produce electricity. The possibility of these getting exhausted led scientists to search for alternative sources of energy. Some of the alternative sources of energy are hydroelectricity, solar energy, wind energy, and biogas.